Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a common issue that many car owners face: engine overheating. Understanding the causes of engine overheating is crucial for maintaining the health of your vehicle and preventing costly repairs. So, let's explore the culprits behind this problem. Low coolant level. One of the primary reasons for engine overheating is a low coolant level. Coolant plays a vital role in regulating the engine's temperature by absorbing heat. If the coolant level is low, the engine can quickly overheat, leading to potential damage. Faulty thermostat. A malfunctioning thermostat can also cause engine overheating. The thermostat regulates the flow of coolant through the engine. If it gets stuck closed, coolant circulation is restricted, resulting in overheating. Cooling system leaks. Leaks in the cooling system, such as from hoses, radiator, or water pump, can lead to a loss of coolant. This loss can disrupt the cooling process and cause the engine to overheat. Clogged radiator. A clogged radiator can impede the flow of coolant through the system, preventing proper heat dissipation. Over time, debris and sediment can build up in the radiator, reducing its effectiveness and causing overheating. Faulty water pump. The water pump is responsible for circulating coolant through the engine. If the water pump fails or malfunctions, coolant circulation is compromised, leading to engine overheating. Engine oil issues. Low or dirty engine oil can also contribute to engine overheating. Engine oil helps lubricate and cool internal components. If the oil level is low or contaminated, it can't perform its cooling function effectively, resulting in overheating. Fan malfunction. The cooling fan helps dissipate heat from the radiator. If the fan fails to operate correctly, airflow through the radiator is reduced, causing the engine to overheat. Here are some general solutions that you can consider. Check coolant level. Make sure your coolant level is sufficient and top it up if needed. Be sure to use the correct type of coolant recommended by your vehicle manufacturer. Replace thermostat. If your thermostat is faulty, consider replacing it to ensure proper regulation of coolant flow. Fix cooling system leaks. Inspect your cooling system for any leaks and repair them promptly to prevent coolant loss. Flush radiator. If your radiator is clogged, consider flushing it to remove any debris or sediment that may be obstructing coolant flow. Check water pump. Have your water pump checked by a professional to ensure it is functioning properly. Replace it if necessary. Maintain engine oil. Regularly check and change your engine oil as recommended by your vehicle manufacturer to ensure proper lubrication and cooling. Test cooling fan. Ensure that your cooling fan is working correctly. If it's not, have it repaired or replaced. Conclusion. Engine overheating is a serious issue that can lead to significant damage if not addressed promptly. By understanding the common causes of engine overheating and performing regular maintenance checks, you can prevent this problem and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Remember to consult a professional mechanic if you experience persistent overheating issues. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos on car maintenance and repair tips.